Hi, welcome back Sea Squads. It's been a while since I talked about doing fashion haul for my Labubus, Lafufus, Chafufus, or whatever you name it. So today I finally have enough cute, amazing, weird stuff to show y'all. So let's not waste more time and let's get started. But before I jump in, let me do a quick answering some of your questions first. So question number 1, what's the first Labubu you got? I'm kind of shy to answer because actually this was the first Labubu that I bought from the mall and it was like $4. Look, it's even already dirty right now. But the cool thing about this Labubu, it's not a Labubu, it also can be used as a keychain. And it's even holding on to the key of my place. So I don't regret this one since it's cheap, only $4, but I think I need to wash it. Okay, question number 2. When did you hate Labubus? Well, it's easy, like never. But hold on, actually I lied. So there was a time when I tried to make content quick, but I was struggling because it's too fat. Like you can see, this is actually Labubu. But because I made a lot of contents about Lafufus as well, oh my god, it's so hard to put the clothes on because no matter how many clothes I bought, it never fits. It's too small because it's so fat, you know. And sometimes even in Lafufus, this skinny Lafufu, the bald one, I literally need to rip their arms and feet. You see? Just to fit in some clothes like a jumpsuit or a pants, you know. So, but I can put it back.
Nice.
So that was the time when I hit Labubus or Labubus the most. This is gonna be the third question and the last for today. It's actually funny. The question is, why you love playing Labubus and showing the guide? Alright, so my honest answer is, I used to work as a sales for my whole entire life. And at one point, I became an affiliator on TikTok. And I work with so many brands. No matter what kind of products they give me, I need to always find a key selling points for the brand of the products. So when I saw something like this, I will try to find first what's interesting about this. What's the key selling points of this main character? If I wanted to make this as a main character, what's a viral thing that I can brought it up, you know? But that's obviously, that also came from all your comments because so many people mentioned about first, the forehead. It's shiny, it's bald, and it's white. Okay. And then, number 2, you gotta admit that this thing is pretty sexy. Look at that. It's pretty sexy compared to this, right? And then, I tried to dig more into it, like, I always answering your comments. That's why I know what you're thinking about this stuff and I bring your imagination or your comments to my contents. And that's also answering why I always reply to all your comments because I want to know more about you guys and I want to know what's your opinion about this stuff. So that's all the Q&A today. And I will start to jump into the fashion haul for the Labubus, okay? And I will give you a better angle so you can see all the stuff with full details, okay? But before we start it, if you like these contents, don't forget to click subscribe and also like and share. It's finally unboxing time! Okay, so we started with Labubu dolls. As many of you have probably noticed from my shorts, I have a whole bunch of Labubu dolls in my collection. I know some of you find them entertaining, funny, or just plain silly, but I also get that they're not everyone's cup of tea. This doll is supposed to be a Labubu dupe. I guess it looks pretty similar, but honestly, in my opinion, this doesn't look like Labubu at all, except their teeth and that's it. To be honest, this doll feels more like the regular dolls I used to play with when I was growing up. It's totally different from Labubu, which has more of a plushy vibe. When you buy one of these Labubu dolls, it usually comes with a furry coat and a bunny hoodie. The fur is actually pretty soft and not bad quality at all. You can even take the outfit off and sometimes you get a whole extra set of clothes too. And look at this, you can actually pop off their arms and feet. I mean, sometimes it's just the only way to get their clothes on, because it's so hard sometimes. You cannot do that with Labubu. Those arms and feet are staying right where they are. Totally different vibes. And this is the standard Labubu look when you get one. Just a fluffy fur coat and a bunny hoodie. It totally gives winter vibes, like they're all bundled up and ready for a snow day. The second item I'm gonna show you is an actual Labubu have a seat. This one's called Sissy and I absolutely love her. She looks so cute with her eyes closed, just chilling and being adorable. And who doesn't love Harry Potter? Sure, it's kinda old news now, but back in the day it was everywhere, and it definitely left a magical little mark on my heart. I couldn't help myself. I bought the full Harry Potter clothing set for my Labubus. The red ones for Gryffindor, obviously home of the magical trio, Harry Potter, Ron and Hermione. Oh my god, now I kinda wanna rewatch the whole series and cry over the nostalgia. I didn't have the exact shoes to match, so I just threw on some random shoes I had lying around, and honestly, it kinda works. Look at this, it's so adorable. They even have the iconic Harry Potter style coat, like straight out of Hogwarts. The whole outfit's giving mini wizard vibes and I'm here for it. This whole set cost me around $25 to $30. I'm not exactly sure, but I picked it up at the mall. I just saw it at the mall and couldn't resist. My wallet cried a little, but my heart happy, 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 happy. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without the glittering matching outfit. So I grabbed the green outfit too. Gotta have options, right? So yep, I bought that one as well, just to play around and mix things up a bit. Not gonna lie, this totally reminds me of my childhood, back when little me was busy dressing up dolls and living my best life. I was honestly surprised they even have little designer bags for Labubus. Like, this is not the kind of tiny bags I had for my dolls back in the day. Labubus out here living the luxury life, like a spoiled rich kid with a wardrobe better than mine. But I don't know why, I still love it anyway. Like seriously, just look at all these Chanel and Louis Vuitton bags. Labubus out here flexing with the real designer stuff. I feel more and more surprised every time I see their stuff. They even have glasses for Labubu in so many colors. So of course, I had to buy every single one they had. And look what I've got. I have the regular, green, black, and pink one. I have the full set. Next up, I grabbed a simple Prada jumpsuit with a matching hat. It's got that casual vibe. They had tons of colors, but I decided to go with white this time. No need to buy them all. I think it's way more fun to mix up different styles for the outfits. Don't you agree? Oh my god, my Labubu's cheeks are so fat. It's a struggle to get the jumpsuit on. Looks like my Labubu needs to go on a diet or a gym. So yeah, that's the moment I kinda hate Labubu. But look at this. This is my favorite bag from my whole collection. I don't know why, but I just love this white Chanel backpack. It looks super expensive and luxurious, but still low-key. I think every time I pick out an outfit for my Labubu, I'm really imagining what I would wear in real life. It really represents me perfectly. So I guess that makes me a low-key kind of person, huh? With a designer clothes and bags. Okay, so the next thing I have is giving total girly vibes.
Nice.
I'm the kind of person who likes to have every kind of style. One day I'm tomboy, the next I'm all cute, and then out of nowhere I'm suddenly super girly. It really just depends on my mood. I actually needed more time to decide on this white dress because I couldn't decide between white and the black one. But now I really wish I had just bought both. I still keep thinking about that black dress. And honestly, I might grab it next, especially with Halloween coming up. And I also ended up buying a few tiny cups, like tiny Starbucks one and this adorable Hello Kitty cup. I swear, they were just too cute. I had no self-control. And here are a few more bags I picked up. I got this white Chanel party sling bag. It even has a gold chain, super chic. Then there's a diamond clutch bag that's all sparkly and extra. Plus, a big Neverfull bag from Louis Vuitton for that luxury vibe. And no joke, these all look like actual designer bags, just mini size. Tiny but fancy. Oh, and I randomly found this Coach wallet from my old collection, decided to add it to my Labubu stuff because it's way too cute to ignore. Can you believe it? I don't even have a motorcycle in real life, and my Labubus already got their own. No studying, no waking up early, no saving money mode, just instant rich kid vibes. Must be nice. But hey, this motorcycle is super fun to play with though, can't even lie. This whole Labubu hype is honestly trying to turn them into real life dolls, like they got outfits, accessories, and now they're out here riding motorcycles. I had no choice but to tie my Labubu up with mouth floss because he kept falling over. I gotta do what I gotta do to keep her standing. I also picked up this super cute My Melody bed from Miniso for my Labubus, and honestly, I'm obsessed. It's so soft and squishy, and the design is just too adorable. My Labubus look extra cozy in it, like little royalty. I couldn't resist at all when I saw it. It's just perfect for the little naps. And everyone keeps asking me about these cute little Labubus. Like seriously, it looks just like the big one, but in the tiny version. It's so realistic and detailed, and the best part, it comes in so many colors. Of course, I had to get every single one, including the secret one. And all of these are just part of my collectible items. I don't even play with them, I just love displaying them. They make me so happy every time I look at them. And let's be honest, who doesn't love anime, right? Okay, this one's the last thing I'm gonna show you guys today. I got a medium-sized tent for my Labubus. And of course, it's in pink. I think all my little Labubus can snuggle up and sleep together in here. It's like their own tiny camping trip. I also got the instruction on how to build it, and honestly, it looked a bit tricky at first, but once I laid everything out, it started to come together. So I'm trying to put all the pieces together right now, and I'll show you how it turns out once I'm done. I'm really excited because it's supposed to look like a super girly cute little tent, perfect for my Labubus. I can already picture them all chilling inside like it's their own tiny pink clubhouse. Wow. Just give me a bit and I'll show you the final look. I think it's going to be adorable. It's really not that hard, it just needs a little pressure. And look, I'm done. It honestly only took me like 5 minutes to put everything together. And look how cute it turned out. The details on the tent are so adorable. I even got a little pillow for the bottom part to make it feel like a real bed. I swear, it's giving tiny glamping vibes. There are also 2 little windows on the left and right sides, just like a real mini house. And they even added ties on the front so you can keep the entrance open like an actual tent. It's seriously the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed. Now, if I really think about it, my Labubus are basically my little daughters. I bought them clothes, beds, houses, even vehicles. I bring them everywhere with me like a proud mom. Thank God they don't ask for food though, or I'd be broke by now. Anyways, this is how the tent looks, and honestly, it's my favorite thing I've bought for my Labubus, and she looks so comfy inside, right? And what about you guys? Which one is your favorite so far? Comment below. So that's all my fashion haul for my Labubus and Labubus today. Don't forget to click subscribe and turn on all your notification button. Like and share if you like it, and if you hate it, click subscribe anyways, because at some point you're gonna start to like me. Just kidding. No pressure guys. See you next time.